Hello students, मैं BL Sharma Mathso discussing coordinate geometry for the new session 2026-27, that is new syllabus, and this is chapter number 1 of class 9th mathematics. And in this video I will be discussing with you very important multiple choice questions for the same chapter. And the question number 1 is on your screen. If from O you wish to go over to 4 units here, if in the given figure, how far must you travel along the number line and in which direction? See, this is a point O. You have to go 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. यहाँ O से आपको राइट हैंड साइड में 1, 2, 3 और 4 unit आना होगा. So what is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is A. That is 4 unit in right side of the point O, means origin. If from point O you wish to go over the 4 unit, here this is 4 unit. In the given figure, how far must you travel along the number line and in which direction? See, this is number line. ये पॉइंट O है और आपको यहां पे आना है. इट मीन्स 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. It means you have to go 4 units in upside of the point O, means origin. So this is point GOO, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit. So C is the correct option. Which of the following is wrong? Line going straight across left to right is called x-axis. It is correct. This is left to right and this line is x-axis. ये correct है. So this is correct. C. Line going straight up bottom to is called y-axis. Yes, ये आपका नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. अप बॉटम मीन्स ऊपर से नीचे और नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ. That is y-axis. This is also correct. And the point of intersection of both the axes is called the origin. Yes, this point of intersection जहां पे दोनों axis मीन्स x axis और y axis जहां पे intersect करते हैं, this point is origin. That is also correct. Both the axes are perpendicular to each other. Yes, see, here you will notice that this angle is 90 degree. So this is also correct. दोनों एक्सिस मीन्स एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस बोथ आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर मीन्स दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. तो ये चारों इज करेक्ट. ए इज करेक्ट, बी इज करेक्ट, सी इज करेक्ट, डी इज करेक्ट. इट मीन्स विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर? इट मीन्स यू कैन से that E is the correct answer. None of the above is wrong. Which of the following is wrong? Coordinate plane is also called as Cartesian plane. This is correct. This is not wrong. ये बिल्कुल ठीक है. कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन को ही हम कार्टेशियन प्लेन कहते हैं. The horizontal line is called x-axis. This line is horizontal line. This line. This horizontal line is called x-axis. This is also correct. The vertical line is called y-axis. This line is vertical line. And this vertical line is called y-axis. This is also correct. ये भी correct है. And the plural of axis is axis. ये गलत है. Because plural of axis is what? That is AXES. So, this is wrong. I think now it is very much clear too. Plural of axis is axis, means both the axes. This one is correct. But this is not correct. Which of the following is wrong? The distance of a point from y-axis, means vertical axis, is called its x-coordinate. The distance of point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate, and the x-coordinate of a point is also called its abscissa, and d is coordinates of a point is also called its y-coordinate of a point is also called its abscissa. इसको थोड़ा वेरीफाई करते हैं, देखिए ना. हमने एक ये x एक्सिस है और ये दिस इज y एक्सिस. Here you will see that this equal to here. Let you have taken this point 6 comma 4. So take here, this is x is 6 and you go there, y is 4. लेकिन इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? You see, this is a rectangle. And in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So see here, x is equal to 6 because this equal to this. मैं फिर इसको say this equal to this. But this is 6. So that is also 6. So x coordinate is this 6. लेकिन x coordinate है क्या? इस y axis से distance है. The distance of the point from y axis is x coordinate. And here you will see that this is y. What is y? The distance of the point from see this is x. और ये x क्या है? देखिए, ये x है यहां से यहां तक. बट दिस इक्वल टू दिस इज इक्वल टू 4. So y is equal to 4. So y coordinate is 4. Y means the y coordinate is the distance of the point from which axis? X axis. ये x axis है. यहां से जो इसका perpendicular distance इस point का, that is said to be or that is called y coordinate. So you can say this is correct and this is also correct. Third, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ अ पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इट्स एब्सिसा. बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ये जो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट है, इसमें जो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट है दैट इज सेड टू बी एब्सिसा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. Y coordinate of a point is called its abscissa. No, Y coordinate of a point is not abscissa. It is said to be, इसको क्या कहते हैं? This is said to be ordinate. Y coordinate of a point is called means ordinate. So this is not correct. So this is wrong. Y coordinate of a point is also called its ordinate. That is correct, but this is not correct. Which of the following is wrong? इसमें wrong के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे हैं. The distance of a point from y axis is called its x coordinate. पहले मैं इसको ऐसे ओपन कर लेता हूं. एक आई एम टेकिंग a point on the graph paper. देखिए फिर से लिखते हैं कि वाई एक्सिस जो डिस्टेंस है ये एक्स 6 यूनिट है, क्योंकि ये 6 यूनिट है और इसको हम एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट कहते हैं, और एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को हम एब्सिसा भी कहते हैं. इट मींस ये तो इट इज दिस इज नो दिस इज करेक्ट. सेम सेकेंड पॉइंट, द डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट फ्रॉम एक्स एक्सिस इज वाई कोऑर्डिनेट. यस, ये एक्स एक्सिस डिस्टेंस है, दिस इज इक्वल टू 4, एंड दैट इज वाई कोऑर्डिनेट, दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. X coordinate of a point is also called its ordinate. No, no, no. X coordinate of a point is called what? It is called abscissa. इसको क्या कहेंगे हम? It is not ordinate. That is, so this is wrong. The answer should be abscissa. Y coordinate of a point is called abscissa. No, this is not. Y coordinate को क्या कहते हैं हम? Y coordinate is said to be the ordinate. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. यहां पे दो आंसर ठीक हैं. X coordinate is called abscissa, that is correct, and Y coordinate is called ordinate. That's all for this question. Which of the following is wrong? X coordinate of a point is also called its abscissa. This is correct. Yes, X coordinate को हम abscissa भी कहते हैं. Y coordinate of a point is also called its ordinate. Ordinate, yes. ये ordinate भी होता है. That is correct. If the abscissa of a point is X, means X coordinate is X, and the ordinate means y coordinate is y, then the ordered pair x y is called the coordinates of the point. Yes, ये x coordinate है और ये y coordinate है, इसको इस स्मॉल ब्रैकेट में पुट करेंगे, डालेंगे, तो दिस order pair is said to be the coordinates of the point. Yes, x coordinate is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate, and together it is coordinates. So all three are correct. ये भी correct, ये भी correct. It means we have to say that none of the above is wrong, so D is the correct answer. D करेक्ट आंसर है. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को हम एब्सिसा कहेंगे, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट को हम ऑर्डिनेट कहेंगे, टुगेदर एक्स एंड वाई को हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स कहेंगे. तो इट मींस नॉन ऑफ द अबव इज रॉन्ग, सो डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट ए इज, ए पॉइंट के क्या कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं? देखिए, सी दिस इज ए. सो हियर एक्स इज 3 and y is 4. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 4. So you can write the coordinates of point A are 3, 4. So what is the answer here? 3 comma 4 is the correct option. This is in the first quadrant. The coordinates of the point B is, say this point is point B. So here x is 3, sorry, minus 3, and y is 2. So coordinates will be minus 3. So coordinates of point B will be minus 3 comma 2, means x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 2. x coordinate minus 3 है और y 2 है. So B is correct option. The coordinates of the point C in the given Cartesian plane is, C क्या क्या coordinate है देखिएगा. Y is 4 and x is minus 2 and y is minus 4. So you can write minus 2 comma minus 4. So A is correct answer.